Good day, everyone. Have you ever wondered how to make your voice heard about issues that matter to you? Today, we're going to explore how to do just that by mastering the art of writing letters to the editor. These letters serve as a conduit for readers to engage with publications, allowing us to voice our opinions, provide feedback, share personal experiences, or raise awareness about important issues. Knowing the purpose of your letter is the first step to making an impact. Now that we've understood the purpose, it's time to delve into who we're writing for and how to structure our letter effectively. Our second step takes us to identifying the target audience. It's essential to know who you're writing to. Understand the readership, their interests, and values. Tailor your letter to resonate with them. It's also crucial to familiarize yourself with the publication's editorial policies and guidelines, ensuring your letter aligns with their standards. Moving on to structuring your letter, it's all about clarity and coherence. Begin with a gripping introduction that declares the purpose of your letter. Use the body paragraphs to logically present your main points or arguments, and provide evidence to support your claims. Stick to one central idea or topic for maximum impact. Wrap up with a compelling closing statement that reinforces your message. With the right structure and a clear understanding of our audience, we're halfway there. Now let's focus on the tone, language, and formatting, the elements that make our letters professional and readable. The tone of your letter should always be respectful and professional, even when expressing strong opinions or criticisms. This helps to maintain credibility and encourages dialogue. As for language, it should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. Avoid inflammatory or derogatory language, as it can detract from your message. When it comes to formatting, stick to a standard letter format, ensuring proper grammar, punctuation, and spelling. These elements not only maintain professionalism, but also enhance readability. Remember, the way we present our thoughts is as important as the thoughts themselves. Finally, let's talk about how to make our letters truly impactful. To personalize your letter, weave in relevant personal experiences or local insights. This not only adds a touch of authenticity, but also helps readers connect with your perspective on a deeper level. Offering constructive suggestions or solutions showcases a proactive approach rather than just criticism. Engage with current events or recent articles published by the publication. This makes your letter timely and relevant, increasing its chances of being published. Encourage readers to join the conversation or take action by providing resources or links for further information. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting letters that inspire, inform, and make a difference. Thank you for joining us on this journey to master the art of writing letters to the editor.